So you will be having a middle line. So your left side page and your right side page. So use both the sides for ledger. And this is the format. You will start with the date, particulars, JF, amount on the left side. Similarly on the right side, date, particulars, JF, amount. This is the format for your ledger. So you will be writing the format at the top, and you can utilize the heading for the entire page. Now after writing the format, now let us see how we are going to post. So before posting, I have already shown you what are the accounts to be opened. So what we are going to do now is that you have to write, okay, the accounts. You are going to open those accounts. Cash. So write it in the middle. Cash account. Leave some gap and then open the next. So we have lot of cash transactions, so you need to leave enough space for cash. And then I am going to start with the capital. And then I am going to open bank account. Then last I am going to do the purchase account. So this is how you have to open those accounts. So after making the list of accounts, what we are going to do is that we will be opening these accounts as per your list. Leave enough space for each account. And then we will start posting those accounts into ledger. So better be careful, just listen carefully. So what is the first entry? Cash account debtor to capital account. Now I am going to record this entry in the ledger. That too in cash account. So when I am going to post this entry, first entry, cash account debtor to capital account in the ledger, under cash, I will just close this cash. What is remaining? You have to capital. So you have to write under cash 2016 Jan 1st. You are going to write to capital. You are going to leave the JF blank. What is the amount? 10,000. Only one part of the entry is recorded. Again come back to the journal entry. Now we will be recording in the capital account. So when you are recording capital account, close capital account, what is there? Cash account is there at the top. So what you are going to do? You are going in capital account. You have to write Jan 1st by cash. So what is at the top? You have to write by. By cash 10,000. So in cash account you will be writing to capital, and in capital account you will be writing by cash. Able to understand? Now our first entry we have posted in these two accounts. Able to understand? What is the entry? Cash account debtor to capital. That entry will be posted in two places. One in cash account and the other one in the capital account. For cash it will be to capital. For capital it will be by cash. The amount is the same, 10,000. First entry is over. Now coming back to the second entry. Bank account debtor to cash account 5,000. So now I am going to record this in the cash account. Cash account பண்ணும்போது என்ன இருக்கும்? It will be closing cash. What is there? Bank. Bank is at the top, right? So you will be writing 5th of Jan. Jan 5th by bank. So what is the amount? 5,000. Now I am going to post this in bank. I am closing bank. So close bank. So what is remaining? Cash. So I will be writing January 5th to cash 5,000. So our second entry is also over. So coming back to the third entry, you have purchase account data to cash. So now I am going to make the entry in the cash account. Cash account modu cash account close panna. So what is remaining? Purchase. Purchase is at the top. So you are going to write by purchase. 7th. Write by purchase. What is the amount? 1,000. So coming back to the purchase account. So now I am going to record in purchase. So I am closing, hiding this. So what is remaining? 2 cash. So in purchase account, I will be writing 7th Jan to cash 1,000. Able to understand? Now after posting all these journal entries into the respective accounts, the last step will be balancing. So you have to see debit side as well as credit side. So now for the first one, for cash account, on the debit side you are having 10,000, whereas on the credit side you have only 6,000. So in the pakkam you have 10,000. You have 10,000 on the debit side, whereas you have only 6,000 here. So what is remaining? If you want to equalize both sides, how much more you need to make this side 10,000? You need